Calling all families, coming soon. We have the ultimate 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom plus rec room in this gorgeous townhome in the Fraserhood in this general location. We're just off of Fraser, a couple blocks from Main Street, where you get all your shopping and your restaurants, but you still have shopping right at your doorstep, especially your groceries, parks, schools, etc. This home is almost 1,400 square feet. And it has a front yard, a gated front yard for your pets or for gardening, as well as a backyard, perfect for barbecues. And then there is an inner courtyard for the kids. Oftentimes they're playing in there. So if you're looking for a family-friendly complex, this is it. It's built by an award-winning developer. And when units come up in this complex, they do not last. They sell very quickly and often over asking. So if you or someone you know are interested, please reach out to me. We can keep you posted as soon as this beauty hits the market. Please like and share, etc. It will probably be moving fast. I look forward to hearing from you as well as showing you this gorgeous home.